Hello everyone, I'm back. Now I'm going to show you the finished product of my chicken. Mao na niya ang chicken nga gihimo ganina, nga gi-open. Here we go, and David will cut it off. Ooh, that looks yummy. Look at that. Lala. So muna na chicken dili sa nga may Pilipinas, pero dili ni chicken Bisaya. Chicken English. And here we go, we have a roast potato, and we have broccoli and carrots. And here's Victoria. Have you given a smile, Victoria? There you go. And Luis, smile. Show your teeth. That's right. And here we go, Daddy.
You forgot my gravy.
And of course the gravy from scratch. Yummy. I'm going to put it on my try on my plate. Wow.
Can you put on my plate?
On your plate as well. You just eat the gravy.
I don't want
And Victoria.
to eat the gravy.
Right. So, and here's Sofia. Her 9 months old today. And we'll show the cake later, yeah? Yeah, that's good, girl. Say bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Keep watching. Don't forget to
Bye.
subscribe and like. Thank you.
Why am I making